How to remove swipe up to unlock open when unlocking with Face ID in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, then scroll down and physical and motor section you can see the option touch. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and here you can see the option back tap. Now click on back tap and here you can select double tap or triple tap. Now only click on double tap and here you can select the option. If you want to go home with using double tap, then simply click on home. Now go back to your home screen and lock your screen, and if you want to go to your home screen, then simply double tap on the back of your phone and it will require a password. Then you go to your home screen. After that, the another solution is open settings. Go back and open accessibility and then click on voice control. Now here you can set up your voice control. Now click on continue and then click on done. After turn on your voice control, then go back to your home screen and lock your screen and then only say home screen, go home, and here it will require a password to go to your home screen. So this is the way to remove swipe up to unlock open when unlocking with Face ID in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.